Ever wonder what they do with threatening icebergs? An iceberg mover, also known as an iceberg wrangler or iceberg tow operator, is a specialist in marine navigation responsible for managing and redirecting icebergs that pose threats to ships, offshore drilling rigs, or other marine structures. Key responsibilities for iceberg wrangling are iceberg detection and monitoring involves a few critical tasks. Surveillance, using satellite imagery, radar, and aerial reconnaissance to detect and track icebergs. Data analysis, analyzing data on iceberg size, shape, and movement patterns to predict potential threats. Risk assessment is a critical step in the process. It involves threat evaluation, where we assess the potential danger an iceberg poses to maritime operations or offshore structures. Then, there's route planning, where we develop strategies to divert icebergs away from critical areas. It's all about understanding and mitigating risks to ensure the safety of maritime activities. Iceberg towing and redirecting is a complex operation. First, we start with attachment, securing tow lines, nets, or other equipment to the iceberg. Then comes the towing, using tugboats or other specialized vessels to pull the iceberg to a safe location. Throughout the process, navigational adjustments are made in real time to ensure the iceberg follows the planned course. It's a delicate balance of power, precision, and safety. Collaboration and communication are key in this unique field. We coordinate with authorities, working closely with maritime authorities, environmental agencies, and offshore operators to ensure safety and compliance with regulations. Additionally, team collaboration is crucial. We work alongside a team of experts, including marine engineers, meteorologists, and oceanographers, to make informed decisions and effectively manage the risks associated with icebergs. Environmental considerations are crucial in the process of moving icebergs. It's vital to minimize impact, ensuring that the methods used do not harm the marine environment or wildlife. Additionally, continuous monitoring of weather and sea conditions helps to avoid causing or encountering environmental hazards. The importance of iceberg movers consists of several key aspects. Firstly, safety assurance protects ships, offshore drilling rigs, and other marine structures from collisions with icebergs, preventing potential disasters. Secondly, environmental protection ensures that marine navigation and operations do not disturb natural iceberg flows unnecessarily, balancing human activity with environmental conservation. Lastly, operational continuity maintains the smooth operation of shipping lanes and offshore activities, minimizing downtime and financial losses. Various tools and techniques are used in the process of moving icebergs. Tugboats and icebreakers, powerful vessels equipped to handle the towing and maneuvering of icebergs, play a pivotal role. Tow lines and nets are specialized equipment for securely attaching to and moving icebergs. Additionally, sonar and radar technologies are used to detect and track icebergs underwater and on the surface. Satellite imagery provides real-time data and imagery for monitoring iceberg positions and movements. The challenges of the job are numerous and demanding. First, the harsh conditions. Iceberg movers work in extreme weather and sea conditions, often in remote and isolated locations. Then there's the physical demands. This role requires physical strength and stamina, as well as the ability to work long hours in difficult environments. Lastly, the technical complexity. It involves sophisticated navigation and towing techniques requiring advanced maritime skills and knowledge. Let's talk about the educational and professional background needed for this role. Maritime training is essential, often involving a background in marine navigation, engineering, or a related field. Certifications are also crucial, including a Merchant Mariner Credential, or MMC, and equivalent qualifications. Experience-wise, practical experience in towing, marine operations, or working with icebreakers is highly valued. In the realm of iceberg moving, ethical considerations are paramount. We prioritize the safety of all personnel involved in the operations, ensuring that every step is taken with utmost caution. This involves rigorous training programs, safety drills, and the use of advanced technology to monitor and manage risks. Our teams are equipped with state-of-the-art safety gear, and are trained to handle emergencies efficiently. Additionally, we strive to minimize the environmental impact, ensuring that the natural marine environment is disturbed as little as possible and that wildlife habitats are respected. This includes conducting thorough environmental impact assessments before any operation, using eco-friendly technologies, and implementing measures to protect marine life. We work closely with environmental scientists and marine biologists to understand the potential impacts of our operations and to develop strategies to mitigate them. Furthermore, we engage with local communities and stakeholders to ensure that their concerns are addressed and that they are involved in the decision-making process. Finally, adhering to international maritime laws and environmental regulations is not just about compliance, but about maintaining the integrity of our oceans and their ecosystems. This involves staying updated with the latest regulations, participating in international forums and discussions, and collaborating with regulatory bodies to ensure that our operations are in line with global standards. We believe that by upholding these ethical considerations, we can contribute to the sustainable use of our oceans and the preservation of their biodiversity for future generations. Our commitment to ethical practices is reflected in our transparent reporting, regular audits, and continuous improvement initiatives. We are dedicated to fostering a culture of responsibility and accountability, where every team member understands the importance of ethical considerations and is empowered to act in accordance with them. In conclusion, ethical considerations are at the heart of our iceberg moving operations. They guide our actions, shape our policies, and define our commitment to safety, environmental stewardship, and regulatory compliance. By prioritizing these considerations, we aim to set a standard for the industry and to demonstrate that it is possible to achieve operational excellence while respecting the environment and the communities we serve. The career path in iceberg moving starts at the ground level, with entry-level positions such as a deckhand or junior operator on towing vessels or icebreakers. As one gains experience and expertise, they can progress to more advanced roles like senior operator, captain, or even project manager within marine navigation companies or environmental agencies. This progression is not only about climbing the ladder but also about expanding one's ability to make a significant impact on maritime safety and environmental conservation. Iceberg movers play a critical role in maritime safety and environmental conservation. Their meticulous work helps prevent accidents, protect marine infrastructure, and ensure the continuity of vital maritime operations. As global shipping and offshore activities increase, the demand for skilled iceberg movers is likely to grow. This underscores the importance of their role in a world that relies heavily on maritime routes for commerce and connectivity. In summary, an iceberg mover is a specialized maritime professional who ensures the safety and efficiency of marine operations by managing and redirecting icebergs. This role is a blend of technical skill, environmental awareness, and physical endurance designed to protect both human activities and the natural marine environment. It's a career that demands not only a sharp mind but also a resilient spirit, as they work to balance human needs with those of our planet.